How to set up Synchrony Bank. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up your Synchrony Bank, or basically how you can sign up for it. So let's get started. First, open up your Synchrony Bank and head over to its website. You can directly go to synchrony.com as well. After you're here, you should see a sign in option on the top right. So if you don't have an account, you can tap on the sign in button and let me just close that. Tap on the sign in button. And after you tap on the sign in button, you can choose where you want. So let's say Synchrony Bank. Tap on that and it will take you to the login page. After that, simply tap on register for online access. So tap on register. And after you tap on register, all you have to do is follow the prompts. Enter out your social security number, your date of birth, and tap on continue. Follow along, and after you keep on doing that, you will have created your Synchrony Bank's online account. And that's how you set it up. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's quick video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.